record. I think, yeah, manual. Def global short. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sure. I was working on this. That. It might look a bit dark because lighting is there. So there's no front lighting. I do have a ring light, but it's too big. And my desk is just way too busy already. Was I to start everything up? Yeah. It does scan the hardware, I think. All I need is what's instruct column and row, which could what the encoder position is. Gets hardware scan. This position. If button is pressed, encoder position is int max. Otherwise, that's okay. Sure. If instructs dots equals 0. Actually, no, isn't 0. Then I can see what's this. If it's pressed out, that is, go back to profile select. So int dots profile. Do I publish a bool? Profile select. It starts off as true. Structs. Actually, that's fine. No, it's encoder position int max. That means it's pushed in. That's profile select equals true. Pretty sure. Variable host is set but not used. It's gonna happen. How do I actually make something happen? If dots encode position is higher than 0 and exact same. Smaller. But how the fuck do I? Where is the code for actually doing it? Where's key? I have to look at the usual config. Do I have still that? No. Images. I have no idea. Messages that they should include the context. How to have is the existing code that executes the key bound to the encoder turning left or right. Not enough. Okay, fine. How about this? That's fine. If you see profile equal int profile ID equals -1 for now, I guess, because that's me probably no profile. If profile ID isn't -1. If there isn't any profile selected, the turning of the encoder doesn't do anything. Makes sense. Okay. If profile selects, then what was the thing again? -1. If either of them is -1, I need to function. Okay, if profile select is true, then profile ID is equal to actually no. If instructs dot column is -1 and no, that's not the end. And row profile ID would be, because it'll start from row 0. Yeah, it's 0 to it's okay. Same with the column. It's a grid. Each row down is +3. Okay. Instruct dot row times 3. And then struct dot column. Repeat this. Each row down is +3. And each column is 1 to the right. And if it's nothing, presses the first one of the thing. Okay, there's different. +1, I think. Would that work? Would this logic work? I think so. If it's not profile select, then it has to execute the button for the profile. And then profile select equals false. After setting the profile, it will turn profile select to false. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. This is for instance. Sure. Oh. In what way are they gonna ruin this? She not gonna die? And the display also relies on if profile selects. Yep. Right. Sure. Why not? Yes. Execute inputs. Scan hardware. New file maybe. Execute He is. Execute key dots H. Let's get rid of made this hardware scan setup and hardware scan C. All I need are two void function of execute encoder takes an int encoder and an int pointer to profile. No, actually, I wouldn't be. Maybe I'll be able to do that. Can I? No, I would need profile because I would need to know what type, which profile it is. Boolean profile select. Can't. I need to import a city bool. No, it's include, not import. std boot. But I also need the. Do I need to pass the profile itself though? Probably not. I think I could, instead of passing the profile ID, I could pass a pointer to the profile and then read from there. Yes. HID helper and lib. Key code to character, character key code, send the key codes. Okay, sure. Hmm. Well, would be easier or would be better. I think it's better since this is here, so might as well just do happen to keep map. Just pointer to encoder control. Yes. Include key map. Encoder controls. And a pointer to control. No, keys. Includes expected parameter declaration. Why? Okay. Why is that error happening? Okay, so just what the encoder position is, the pointer to which keys I should be sending, and profile select because that's the only other thing I'm modifying. Think. I'm not returning anything. Voids execute keyboard, sure. End of row dots ink dots column. I would also need a profile. Profile selects into the profile. And the key map, right? No, that's the key map. Yep. And the key map. I think that's correct. Just these two functions should be good enough. Yes. What? And so thinking about that, why would each know say once? No. Executes key, yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then let's do execute key.c. Execute underscore key.c. And I will copy this over. Let's include header execute keys.h. Something wrong with the key map? It's stdlib.h. That's not my fucking fault.
And here are the people who decided to sell out their souls. Welcome to hell.